Okay. So, when we look at CPUs, there's also websites, and this is on your guys' stuff, that goes and compares processors, and it depends on what we're using it for. For instance, if I go to this part, this is all on Tom's Hardware, and I go to this website, it's going to show us which ones are faster. I will tell you that right now, Intel is faster than AMD. Intel is blue. AMD is green.
I don't even see green.
No, we don't see green until we get down here. Okay?
My goodness.
So we get down here. Now, I'll also tell you that the fastest AMD processor and the fastest Intel processor is 8 times different in price. Okay, this one we're going to look there, but this one we can find for $200, and the other one we can find. Actually, we can't even find that one. We can find, I think it was this one. No, this one for $1,600.
Jeez.
So it depends on how much money you have. My computers at home are AMD because for the same speed, these two have the exact same rating. For the exact same one, if we looked up that one and this one, I guarantee you this one's going to be cheaper.
Isn't that faster too?
Okay, no, they're exactly the same. See, their rating's the same. If you look at it, this one says it's 3.7 gigahertz. This one says it's 2.9. This one has 8 mega cache, and this has 6. Okay? And that's what I'm saying. You can't just look at one number. That's why websites like this are really nice. And they have a different one that compares.
I didn't know CPUs could be turbo.
This, yeah, it can be overclocked. Okay.
Oh yeah, we watched.
No, higher numbers are better here, and on this one it's a graphics response time, so lower numbers are better here. And again, you don't have an AMD one show up until right there.
So wait.
It's not that much difference actually, because when you look down here, they're really bad. Okay.
So you buy CPUs overclocked. Like you can.
No, you overclock them from your motherboard set.
Well, how come that one right there is overclocked?
Because where do you see
It
that?
says 2.93 and then turbo 3. Oh,
No, on turbo it's 3.2 gigahertz.
So
You can turbo it up to 3.2. Because sometimes they'll say this is rated to overclock.
Right.
Okay. So there are charts that let you look at the different speeds and stuff. And we're going to look at the prices here. And I'm going to go to the...
Man, you
I'm trying to keep it up.
The internet seems slow today. Okay, I'm at Tiger Direct, and I only want to look on one site. But if I look at Intel motherboards, or Intel CPUs, and I do it price from high to low, our highest priced Intel CPU, and this is just a 6-core, this is not the new 8-core.
Intel has an 8-core?
Yeah, Intel has an 8-core. That's $1,600. Okay, for their 6-core, it's $1,600. And if I go and look at the AMD one, how do I get back there? If I go look at the AMD processor, their highest priced one is right there, which is $999. So it's $700 less. This one's also a 6-core processor. Okay.
I want an alien working.
So AMD is less expensive, not necessarily faster. So you have to look at the charts and compare those things. Now on our site now, if we go and look down at the bottom, you'll see that this is now open, the CPU presentation. And we're going to talk about it at the start of class Monday because we're almost done. So if you want to look at it over the weekend, you can. You're going to be presenting 2 CPUs. A cheapest one for your home motherboard.
Are you picking again?
No, there's no picking.
Oh,
The cheapest one for your home motherboard from your motherboard presentation. Okay? And the fastest one for your gaming motherboard from your motherboard presentation. So if Amanda had a AM3, did you do Intel or did you? You had Intel. So if her motherboard was a Intel 1156 socket, she has to find the fastest Intel 1156 CPU that'll go in there. Okay? And if her home PC was an LGA 775, then she needs to find the cheapest LGA 775 that will go in her. So that's why there's no choice. You're each going to present 2 for the 2 motherboards that you already presented. Okay, so everything's based now on that. So we got the topic here if you want to look at it, presentation rubric, which is only 2 pages as opposed to 3. And then these are those other links that some of which we just looked at. I'm going to go down there too real fast. Down here,
Yes.
we're gonna talk specifically about